Hi there! Welcome to today's episode of my YouTube channel. I remain your regular host, and today on the show, we will be discussing 10 healthy habits for women. Women are beings who have brought joy, peace, and added immense value to our world. And so today, we will talk about 10 healthy habits for women to live a good and healthy life to impact our world. Here we go! 10. Regular exercise. Regular exercise is one great habit for women to have healthy living because of its immense value. Regular exercise can prevent high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol level, and many more. Regular exercise, whether aerobic or anaerobic exercises, would help you as a woman to live long and live healthily. 9. Eat well and eat healthy foods. As a woman, you should be mindful of what you eat and how you eat. You shouldn't be eating like a glutton because it could make you overweight, and being overweight is a risk factor for several diseases. Minding the kind of foods you eat is very crucial, like regulating your sugar intake, because when sugar is in excess, it could lead to diabetes, and regulating cholesterol, which can cause increased blood pressure and other unwanted illnesses. 8. Avoid stress and any activity that could stress you out. As a woman, avoiding stress is one habit you should cultivate very well, because living stressed is no good thing for you, because stress can cause unwanted conditions, like being unhappy, depressed, and even conditions like fatigue, headaches, back pain, and many other conditions. So you should avoid stress. 7. Be more intentional about your rest and sleep. Another important habit is to cultivate taking rest and sleeping well. As a lady, you should take about 6 hours of sleep every day. What does sleep do for you? It makes you relaxed, rest, and thoroughly refreshed. 6. Be classy and more intentional about your dressing. Yes, this is one habit you can't afford to take lightly, because it is often said that how you dress may sometimes determine how you might be addressed. You should keep up the habit of being classy and dress well, because being classy and well-dressed makes you confident, and I am sure you don't want to be timid. 5. Take good care of your skin. As a lady, as you grow older, chances are that there might be changes on your skin, and so you have to watch those changes, like the spots that won't go, skin wrinkles, and many others, and respond appropriately. Every lady is scared of skin damage, so protect your skin. 4. Live a fun and happy life. Sometimes happiness is underrated by us. As a woman, living happily should be one of your priorities. You should learn to preserve your happiness and run away from what might want to make you sad and depressed. 3. Have good and safe sex. Good and safe sex is good for your body and health. Apart from the pleasure and satisfaction, it helps to lower blood pressure, keeps you calm, and boosts your immune system. Having safe sex would prevent you from getting STDs. 2. Practice basic health hygiene. This is crucial to living a healthy life. Practicing basic hygiene like bathing regularly, brushing your teeth, observing public health advice, and many more. Observing them would promote healthy living for you. Lastly on the show, visit the doctor for checkups and screenings. You should, as a woman, practice medical checkups and screenings to live a healthy life. Regular checkups could help detect some diseases early, like cancer of the breast or cervix, and other diseases which could lead to prolonging your life. This brings this show to a close. Join us next time when we bring you another exciting episode of this program. Bye! Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Blissful.